Hello guys, welcome back. So today I'll take you guys on the graphic design principles. Graphic design principles are a set of guidelines and techniques used to create effective and pleasing designs. So these principles help designers to create designs that are visually appealing, designs that are easy to understand and communicate the intended message effectively. So we have different principles of graphic design. We have the balance, we have the hierarchy, we have the unity, and a lot of them. But I'm going to be taking this series one after the other. So I'll focus on balancing for this video. So what is balance? Balance refers to the distribution of visual elements within a design. So there are different ways to balance a design. So I'm going to be talking about the symmetrical balance, the asymmetrical, and the radial balance. So the symmetrical balance means even distribution of the virtual weight. If you draw a straight line through this design center, as you can see, the straight line has been drawn already in any direction, and the weights will appear evenly distributed. So the weights at this side is the weight at this side is evenly distributed at this side. So this is symmetrical balancing. So from here you can see that this thing looks in order and it is stable. So what is the essence of this symmetrical balancing? Symmetrical balancing in designs allows the viewer's eye to achieve a stronger sense of message being conveyed. So identifying these design middle points and then mirroring the weight on either side using different techniques will keep your design captivating. All right. Let's take another example of a symmetrical balanced design. So if you check this, you can see the spacing between this and this all balanced, and you can see this one. If you rule line at any direction, it all meets at this center point. So this is something balanced, unlike a design that is like this, something like this, and then maybe you have another design here. So something like this is not balanced. All right, so this is symmetrical balancing in graphic design. So the next one I'm going to talk about is the asymmetrical balancing. So let's go to an example. So what is asymmetrical balancing? Asymmetrical balancing means that the elements are arranged unevenly, but it is still balanced. It still appears balanced. More like something like this. As you can see, it appears balanced with the spacing, the object, the colors, all balanced. So the next thing I'm going to do now is let me draw another examples of asymmetrical balance in design. So I can bring another tiny circle here. So as you can see, if I'm to roll a line from here, You can see how balanced it is. And then something like this doesn't look balanced. So if it's like this, they share equal weights in each side of the design. So guys, if you are joining us for the first time, subscribe, like, and share. So I'm going to pick another example of asymmetrical balanced design. So if you look at this design contains asymmetrical balance design. Okay, let me show you an example. Look at this color differentiated shape. So this shape was just differentiated with colors because if you have combined the colors, they all look the same. But look at this side and this side, they bear equal weight even if they are unevenly distributed. So something like this is balanced. It's an asymmetrical balanced design. The weight at this side is the same with the weight at this side. Example that's another example of design that has that asymmetrical weight. You can see there's this design and the written content at the middle. Even for the fact that this design is asymmetrical, it is still balanced. Here is balanced with this side, and at the same time balanced with this side. So this is asymmetrical balance and design. So the next one I'm going to talk about is the radial balance. So radial balance occurs when the visual elements are arranged around a structural point. So this central point is now creating a circular effect, something like this. As you can see, it's more like a radius, so that's why it's called radial balance. And they all meet at the central point. So if your designs have no sense of balance, the viewer will not know where to look and may not understand the message you are trying to convey, since fewer interest areas can go unnoticed quickly. So while making your design, make sure you follow these principles, and which one of them is balancing. So balancing is an important principle you need to follow while making your designs. And like I said earlier, the areas where balancing is needed in design is in your spacing, in your objects, in your textures, and in your colors. So your textures, if you want to mix different colors, your colors, you want to mix different colors, you want to put texture, make sure the combination, the color palette combination are balanced. All right. So guys, this is the end of this tutorial for the balancing, and see you guys in my next series. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. See you guys next time.